What's good, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the FOREX Trading. So guys, today I have a very good strategy. This is the best strategy, guys. If you ever want to grow your small account, traders, this is the best strategy for you. Let me show you this, guys. Literally right now it's 7:59. I've been awake for the past 4 hours because I was trading this card JPY trade. But let me show you, traders, how did I get this trade and what did I base on. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video, trader. This is the best strategy to grow your account because you can see, guys, I've already secured some money. As you can see, I've already secured some money, and there's no bluffing, there's nothing, traders. So let's get started with this video. So traders, this is the trade we took. So this is a very good trade we took on card JPY. So first of all, you need to understand what we call demand and supply, traders. Most of the cases I see traders struggling with so many strategies, but they neglect the simplest things like demand and supply. Demand and supply is the most powerful strategy if you know how to trade it and apply it to your trading system, guys. As you can see, first of all, we had this market. As you can see, this market is it's in a downtrend market. As you can see, how do you see a downtrend market? This is how you see a downtrend market. As you can see, this is how you see a downtrend market. So let's add an arrow. So this is a downtrend market, as you can see. So this is how you see that this is a downtrend market, as you can see. So if we have a downtrend market, guys, we're always looking out for reversals. We're always looking out for reversals, like mini reversals, anything like that. So you can see on my 4-hour time frame. So when I come to my 4-hour time frame, so let's delete this. Let's delete this. So when you come to my 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see I had this nice downtrend to the downside. Now this is the one that I had. As you can see, I had a nice downtrend to the downside. But also, we shouldn't forget the fact that we had fair value gap on our daily time frame. We had fair value gap on our daily time frame that had to be covered up. So the fair value gap I'm talking about is this one, traders. This is the fair value gap that I'm talking about that had to be covered. This one right there. That is the fair value gap, as you can see. So price had to cover up that gap there. So now let's not even talk about fair value gap. Now let's go to the sweet thing, divergence, traders. When you know me, guys, whenever I see divergence in the forex market, I know it's time for me to take my trades. I know we are about to see a reversal. So this is the divergence that I'm talking about. For you to see divergence, you need to have price coming down like this. You need to have price coming down like this, and also you need to have price coming on your indicator. So let's add an indicator called RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. This is our RSI, as you can see. So we need to have price coming down like this, and then we need to have the opposite on our indicator. We need to have the opposite, as you can see right here. So this is our divergence. This is our divergence. So as you can see, traders, this is our divergence. We have price coming up like this, and then we have price coming down like this. So guys, as you can see, this is our divergence right here. So I have price here coming up like this, and then price coming down like this. So this is divergence. So we have many types of divergence, traders. We don't have only, we have, as you can see, we have the strong divergence, medium divergence, and hidden divergence. So this is what we had here. So I knew price would reverse. So knowing that price is going to reverse, traders, I need to now look at anything that tells me that price is about to reverse, anything. So what I had here is a consolidation market, guys. You see this consolidation market, and I told you guys, whenever you have a consolidation market, you always have to mark it out. You always have to mark out the consolidation market like this. And the reason why we mark out that consolidation market, we mark it out because price is going to break out. Remember, this is at a reversal point. You see, traders, this is at a reversal point. Price is consolidating, knowing that it's going to break out anytime. As you can see, price breaks out here, it retests, it pushes back into down there, but it doesn't just push back in down there, traders. I'm going to show you why price pushed back in there to retest and then push back up. As you can see, I've already secured some money. The first trade that you're seeing here, this is a stop loss price. He took me out because this other retest with the the red candle, this first retest, it took me out so bad because of the interest rates in Japan. But again, I didn't mind. I waited for the next candle to open and push back down, because I knew price would first push back down and then push back up. And there's no price pushed back down here because we had a demand zone. This is not only a demand zone, this traders. This is not the only demand zone you have here, but also this demand zone down here, which I'm going to draw out for you. But let me show you what you call a demand zone. So this is the demand zone. We have many types of demand zones, but this is the one I'm talking about, the one for the reversal. This one here, we have price coming down like this, then we have price ranging, and then we have a breakout at the retest, and then a push at the upper side. This is also a type of demand zone. It's the same thing that we had here, price guys. The same thing we had here, very clear. There's nothing complicated, traders. There's nothing complicated. So let me delete this and then draw for you another demand zone, and also tell you why that is a demand zone. So this is the red candle that I'm marking out. So this candle, the reason why I'm calling this candle a demand zone is because on the 1 hour time frame, whenever we have so actually I would have to bring it to the down candle just like this here. So this is our demand zone. So the reason why this is considered a demand zone, because we have 1, 2, 3 aggressive buying. Remember, demand is aggressive buying. So price has to come back and retest into this zone. You can see price pushed back into here and then pushed back up twice. So I had to take my trade, put my stop loss below that, because I knew price wouldn't take me out anymore. I will push. So I lost 300 here. I made it back twice, traders. I made it back twice. As you can see, this is our trade. As you can see, again, for anyone who doesn't know about demand and supply, you can literally just draw out a box like this on your 4 hour time frame, mostly like this, and then wait for price to break out and retest, guys. So anyone who's having trouble understanding demand and supply, this is the easiest way for you to take your trade. This is the easiest way to take your trade, traders. That is the easiest trade to take your trade. And the reason why I took my trade here is because whenever we have demand and supply, guys, we're always going to have aggressive buyers and sellers come back into the market after price retesting. So I didn't wait for anything. I didn't want to, because I'd waited for this trade for quite a long time, so I had to jump in and ride with this momentum. And price, good thing went my way, guys. But a good thing I had a stop loss. If markets reversed on me, I was coming out with just a small loss, but not losing way too much money. But again, traders, this is a very simple concept. Demand and supply. There's nothing very hard here. Look at this. And the reason why I put my take profit up here, because we had another supply zone right here. Again, we have aggressive sellers making this blue candle our supply. This candle here, as you can see. That's why price tapped in there and then started dropping the back down. But again, we expect price to push even more higher, but that would be like my first take profit. Traders, this is the best strategy, hands down, if you're trying to grow your small account. Everything, we only trade things that we have learned. We don't trade things that we haven't learned, traders. If you don't know anything, don't trade what you don't know. Trade only what you know, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Bye bye.